मेटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड में जो हम लोग जी रहे हैं, ये भगवान ने हमें अवसर दिया है। मतलब यहाँ पे हम आके जो भी हमें मिल रहा है वो भगवान ने हमें दिया है, वो उपयोग करने के लिए। लेकिन हमें ये याद रखना है, ये हमें ध्यान रखना है कि जो कुछ भी मिला है वो भगवान की कृपा से, और भगवान को सब कुछ समर्पण करके हमें करना है सब कुछ। मतलब कि जैसे हम बोलते हैं ये हमारा है, ये मेरा है, ये कुछ भी हम लोग का नहीं है, ये सब कुछ भगवान का ही दिया हुआ है। हमें बस उपयोग करना है, और हमारा जो मेन लक्ष्य है वो है भगवान के प्रति अपना भक्ति के मार्ग को अपना के भगवान के चरण में हमें अपने आप को सौंपना है। ये मुझे लगा।
हरि
हरि बोल।
हरि बोल, हरि बोल।
हमारी दृष्टि माता जी भी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी,
बोलो যেটা
বাংলা में
हिंदी,
बोलना
इंग्लिश।
चाहेंगी। सो
তুমি
বলো কি বলতে
বলো।
চাইছো, বলো
যে তোমার মনে আছে বলতে।
তুমি কি ভাবো কৃষ্ণ কে? কৃষ্ণর কাছে আসলে কি হবে?
ঠাকুর।
কিসের জন্য তুমি আসছো কৃষ্ণর কাছে?
ভক্তি।
ভালোবাসা হচ্ছে কৃষ্ণের সাথে, ভালো লাগে কৃষ্ণকে খুব বেশি? কি হয় মন্দিরে আসলে, ফিলিং কি হয়?
লাগে কি শান্তি জায়গাতে এসেছি।
হরি বল।
हरि बोल।
Now Rima Mataji will share her thoughts on this shloka.
So Drishti Mataji has beautifully explained, and she has mentioned some key points. Bhakti, Shanti. So Bhakti gives us Shanti. I had a spiritual bent of mind since a fairly young age, but to be very honest, this is my personal experience. I have never felt so peaceful before, and I have practiced a bit of many types of yoga. And what is written in the Bhagavad Gita, what Lord Krishna himself says, this is not me saying on behalf of him, he says himself that ultimately bhakti is the path. So whether we follow, as this verse mentions, we follow Ashtanga yoga to try to go to other spiritual planets, to try to achieve, yes, everything works. All the other practices of yoga also work, but bhakti is definitely the ultimate. Because even if you're practicing Ashtanga yoga and you reach you are able to relate or connect to the Paramatma form, there is something above that, and that is Bhagwan, who is Sri Krishna himself. So what I have experienced is practicing the other yoga systems that I did, and I found peace in them as well. But in bhakti, the same amount of effort gives like much more results than what I got before in my personal life. And as Krishna says here, that as Srila Prabhupada has beautifully written in the purport also, by doing Ashtanga yoga, we try to go to the spiritual planets and all, but if we actually trust Krishna, he will come with his Garuda to take us. And how beautiful that is, where we get to see his beautiful Sham Sundar form coming towards us. And yes, it is true, if we give our heart to Krishna, Krishna will take care of us. Life will become a smooth journey. Our problems will not stop, but the way we deal with our problems will stop. I'll speak from my personal experience, because I want to give examples and say how I have seen bhakti working amazingly in my life. The same situations, the same stress, the way I used to deal with it before, I used to literally give up, and I used to just like lie down in bed and switch off the light of the room and say I don't want to do any work today. I would procrastinate because it would be too overwhelming for me. Now I have learned, amidst all the stress and the multitasking that I have to do, I have learned how to juggle with them with a much more peaceful bent of mind, without giving a lot of effort yet in bhakti. So yes, this is the beauty of this verse, and so we chose to discuss this verse today because it's a very important verse. Like Tanya Mataji said, this is verse number 6 and 7 from chapter 12. Chapter 12 is dedicated to devotional service. So to end my comment on this, I would like to say that thank you, Krishna, for bringing me back to bhakti. I had moved away from bhakti. I was in bhakti 10 years back. I moved away from it, and you brought me back to it. I'm thankful. And yes, I will try to remain in bhakti and to have a smooth sailing life in bhakti. And thank you so much, Krishna. All glories to Srila Prabhupada.
हरी बोल,
हरी
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 बोल,
बोल।
हरी बोल।
और कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है?
Anybody has their comments?
तो अब हम 3 बार हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का उच्चारण करके इस मीटिंग को समाप्त करेंगे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता यथारूप की
जय।
श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय।
जय।
समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की
जय।
हरी बोल।
हरी बोल।